Hey bunnies, for today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, kind of. It's going to be a full face using only beauty supply store makeup, and the brand that I'm going for this video is Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses is one of my favorite beauty supply store lines. When I first started my pro makeup kit, the foundations that I had were from Kiss. The lashes that I wear are always from Kiss. The matte lipsticks that I wear usually are from Kiss. And so I decided, why not to do I want to do kind of a series, a full face of whatever, like, you know. So I decided to start with Ruby Kisses because I just love this company. So this is my full bag here. Went to the beauty supply store. I spent around $60 on all of this stuff. Every single item, again, on my face is from, you know, Ruby Kisses, except the brushes. I didn't use their brushes because I already had brushes and I didn't want to buy more brushes, but they do have brushes and their brushes are pretty good. Came up to, my total was $56.60. The only thing I bought that I didn't use was this. It's an eyeshadow palette and it's from their Kiss Pro line, which is a little bit more expensive than the Ruby Kisses line, and I think I want to save this for a Kiss Professional video. You get me? So this is a Ruby Kisses video. This is like their sister company, the lower end. I don't want to say lower end, but the cheaper of the two lines that they carry. And then the Kiss Professional is their more expensive lines. I'm going to go do this video another time. And I'm going to save this palette for that video. But yeah. So if you want to see how I did this face, again, using only Ruby Kisses cosmetics products, keep on watching. I apologize for not having my nails done. I really do.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days. 'Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now
Okay, bunnies, and this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.